Hi, welcome to the lesson of the slope of a line formula explained. Now you know about the fraction rise over run, right? So this is one way to find the slope of a line. But there is another way to determine the slope, and that's by using the slope formula, and that's m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x of 2 minus x of 1. Okay? And this is where any two arbitrary points are on a line. So let's say that you have the points 1, 1, and 3, 2. Okay, so these are x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so we have 2 points. So that's why we have two x values and we also have two y values. Okay, so now since a line passes through the points 1, 1 and 3, 2, we need to find the slope of the line. But we find the slope of the line by using this slope formula. Okay, and by the way, m denotes slope. Okay, all right, so now let's go ahead and what we're going to do is substitute the values for x1, x1, y1, x2, y2 into the formula here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that right now. So y2 is 2 minus y1 is 1. And that's over x2, which is 3, minus x1, which is 1. So now we can go ahead and simplify. 2 minus 1 is 1 over 3 minus 1, which is 2. So that means our slope is 1/2. Okay, so now what I would like for you to do is actually look at another way on how you can find the slope. Okay, so it's an alternative method. So let me go ahead and show you that right now by wiping this out. Okay, so remember our rise over run. And so that's equal to y over x, or change in y over change in x, because we know that our rise are the y values, whereas the run are the x values. Okay, so let's say that you have the points, let me use a different color. So yeah, let's say that you have the points -1, 1, and let's say 2, 0. Okay, so how you're going to do this is stack these points on top of each other, and it doesn't matter in which order you do that. All right, and we're going to subtract them. So it looks like this. So we have -1, 1 over 2, 0. And we're going to subtract. Okay, so these are your x values here, right here. These are your y values right here. So now what we're going to do is subtract. -1 minus 2. So write that out. -1 minus 2 over 1 minus 0. Okay, 1 minus 0. Okay, so that's -3 over 1. However, we need to write this as rise over run. So remember, our y values are always in the numerator and your x values are in the denominator. So that means we need to invert this fraction here. So this will become -1/3. Okay, and the reason why, these are your y values right here, okay, that we've subtracted. All right, and so that's all we have for this lesson. Hopefully, it was helpful to you, and I look forward to working with you in the next lesson. Take care.